Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how can you use stack layout by using kivy Python. So first of all you will need these lines of code for the graphical window. For this graphical window please write down this code, and then we have to import from kivy dot uix dot we are using stack layout. We will use import stack layout. Then we have to make a class example exampl example of layout. You can name it as you want, and in that we have to call the stack layout. After that I am taking it as pass because I want to do all the works in the .kv file. So you have to make a file, right click on the project name, then new, and then file. The file name must be exact the app name or the class name dot lowercase kv. Suppose in it here run my app dot kv lowercase kv. I have already made it here. Now we have to call the kivy example of this class. Okay, so this is the basic syntax. Now I want to make button here. Button, in the button I want to give it a text. Suppose text, make it as s. Okay, now if I run it, you can see we will see one button. If I take more buttons, okay, before I want to give them a size. Sorry, what is happening, man? Size int, suppose 0.2 and 0.2. This is the proportion between 0 to 1. 0.2 means it will take 20%. Okay, Control C, and we have to make more buttons. Control V, and suppose I am giving it the name A. Now if I run it, we will see two buttons here. But I want more buttons. Just simply copy it, paste it, and change the names. So I am taking it as N and it as C. Now if I run it, we will see 4 buttons. But this is not a efficient way. If we need 100 buttons, then what to do? So we will write our code in the main function in this example of stack layout class. Then we will make a function, and then in by using loop we will make as much as button we want to use. So let's do that. Before doing that, I have to clear all these codes I wrote. Okay, not a problem. Okay, let's define a function, and we have to use init self, and we have to use keyworks dot kw keyworks. What does it mean by keyworks? Suppose we don't know how many parameter we need. So in that case we use keywords, but because we don't know how many parameter we need to use, so that is why I am using it keywords for unlimited amount of variables. Okay, so in that what to do now? Okay, we have to inherit from here. In it we have to pass keywords here also, and in this we have to make a loop for I in range. Suppose I want to take 20 buttons. So 0 comma 21, and in that I have to make a parameter, suppose button. Okay, button equals to, now we have to take the import the button property. So from kivy dot uix dot button we have to import button. Now you can use the button property. In the button property we have to give it a name, suppose text. For the text I don't want same name of each of the button, so I am incrementing the value, and I also giving them a size int equals same 0.2. This is the proportion between 0 to 1, and it identifies the percentage, like 0.2 means 20%. You can use 0.1 or full screen, that is 1, but that will not gonna work. So what is the error here? Oh, sorry, we have to make a bracket, 0.2 comma 0.2. I think it is okay. Okay, now we have to call that add widget. In the widget section we have to pass the button. You can name this button as anything else, like b1 or anything. You can just remember you have to use button here, but this parameter you can name it as you want. Okay, so we have done already all the things. Now if I run it, you can see we have got 20 buttons. Okay, you can do many customizations here. Suppose we are going to this file, and in this file we want to control the orientation. Oh. Sorry, এখানে we have got an error. Orientation. For the orientation property you will get 4 options: left to right and top to bottom. You can write as left to right or right to left or bottom to top, your wish. And I want to give some space and padding. For spacing I want to give it 10 dp, and for padding I also want to give it 10 dp. So now if I run it, what is the problem? Invalid decimal. Okay, I think I have done a little mistake. Oh yes, here is that. Now if I run it, you can see we are getting a spacing and padding here, when we are getting 20 buttons here. I want to make more buttons. For that case I will just I want to make 50 buttons. So in that case if I run it, you can see we can see only 24 buttons, and the rest of the buttons we can see because the page is over. So for this solution we will need scroll view. In the next video I am going to show you how can you use scroll view and scroll as much as space you want. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you enjoy the next video, please access my playlist, and there you will see the kivy full tutorial playlist. Thank you for watching this video.